Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the marker chemistry and preparing your workspace. Remove the cap, pull out the tip or nib carefully, and set the marker barrel aside. Once done, choose the matching solvent: isopropyl for water/alcohol markers, acetone for oil-based paint markers. Draw 1-2 ml of solvent into a syringe or use a dropper. You want control. Then place the nib on a towel and ready the syringe so you can apply solvent directly to the soak tip without flooding the barrel. You now flush and coax pigment back into flow. Gently inject about 0.5 to 1 ml of solvent into the nib end while holding the marker upright. You want solvent to dissolve dried paint without washing out internal components. Once solvent wets the fibers, press the nib to scrap paper and pump repeatedly to pull loosened pigment into the tip. If flow is weak, soak the nib in a small cup of solvent for 5 to 10 minutes. Then repeat the flushing and pumping until ink runs cleanly. You finish by drying, reassembling, and testing the marker. Blot the nib lightly, push it back into the barrel making sure it seats fully, then recap and let the marker rest upright for 10-15 minutes to redistribute pigment. Test on scrap paper with short strokes. If lines are uneven, repeat the flush or try a slightly stronger solvent matching the marker type. If flow never stabilizes, replace the nib or accept the marker is beyond repair. One key troubleshooting tip is to switch solvents cautiously and test small amounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.